In this video, we're going to cover prime factorization. So this involves writing a number and then as a product of all its prime numbers. So how we do that is what we call factor trees. So I'm going to do a quick factor tree here, and we're going to start by at the very top of the tree and write 12. Okay. We then think about what numbers could multiply together to give 12. So we can write split off here and go, well, 4 times 3 multiplies together. And then I say, well, can 3 break up into anything else? Just 3 and 1. So 3 is right. It's a prime. It's going to stay there. It doesn't branch off anymore. But 4 can break off. 4 can break off into 2 times 2. Okay? So now we've got down to this 2 times 2 part. Can 2 break off into anything else? It can only break off to 1 and 2 because it's a prime number. So that would be your complete factor tree done. So what you do is you just work your way down the tree, multiplying as you go. So 12, we said, is 4 times 3, so we wrote 4 and 3. 3 is a prime number, so it doesn't need to split off anymore. 4 can be broken up into 2 and 2, which are then prime numbers, which don't break off anymore. So what we can say down here is 12 could equal 2 times 2 times 3. You could even write it as 2 squared times 3, but essentially we've worked it down into its prime numbers. So that is how we use and create a factor tree.